Alright folks, what we got Danny doing, I asked him if he would run a few passes over everything just to kind of help lock it all down. But the only thing he really missed was this last couple here that he did, putting more stone out this way. And so right now he's running over that whole area so that we can it would take a whole lot of us with cars and trucks packing it down. When I'm talking about how he's packing it down for us.
Track packing.
Yep. So with him doing this, it really saves us not having to try to do it with cars and trucks for months. Yeah, having a nice 30,000 ton vehicle will definitely help with everything. So we definitely have a ton of coverage down here now. The rest of this pile here, folks, that's going to end up going in the road. So, you know, that's not a problem. But like I said, we filled in here. Jimmy had taken the other gravel up over here, and I'll show you that too in a little bit. He was adjusting all of that, getting ready for where his building is going to be. Like where the tools are laying there, that's where he wants it to start, because that way he can come in and park right in front of it. So his building will be coming out to that area, right where the pop bottles are, the Gatorade bottles, water bottles, whatever they are, it's all he's got in there. They're going to be coming out to that point. That's going to be his width of the building, and he's got it so that it's 12 by 32, right, Jim? 12 by 32?
12 by 32, yeah.
Okay, so he's going to start here, and then that way he can come in and park up in front here. And then that way it'll go back over probably to where the wheelbarrow, is? Red bucket, okay. So he's gonna get this straightened out. He'll steal some of this gravel and get it to go up in there. And then he'll have his building sitting up over here. And that's actually gonna be well out of the way. We're gonna have obviously a great area through here now. We'll fill in this little bit, we'll pull and stuff like that. It's not a big deal. Even if we took a couple of bucketfuls of that and dump it in there, that's not going to be a big problem at all.
One hydro dump trailer, we got that.
Right.
A few buckets over here where it rutted up.
Right, yep. Yep. So. What's that? Oh. Yep. And that's packing that down really good for us.
We need to park here, park there, but it's still a lot further than the road.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh.
front of me to find out what they're like. I've got the same as I am. I'm trying to want to love the battery. All day.
Here, girl. He's spinning it there.
Yeah, let's come back in, swing a little wider to get it cut.
Yep. Come here, girl. Here, girl. That's good, man. That's good. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All right, man. You have a good one.
Sir, I appreciate it.
All right, not a problem.
Y'all have a good day.
You too now. So we'll take a walk. Now he's bringing the bucket open. So actually we'll show you this because it makes it easier for him to go up the hill if that weight is more in the back. See that tire spinning a little bit, that back tire? With that, having him have that it open, it pushes that weight into the back of the truck, and it helps him to get up the hill easier, especially when he's empty. See, he's even popping it open more. So he's taking it nice and easy and slow. It's not his first rodeo, so he knows what he's doing. He's taking it super slow up through there, which I do not blame him. So when you guys tell me that this little bitty hill, why are you so winded when you walk up this little bitty hill? When you got a truck like that that's having a hard time getting up that little bitty hill, hopefully that's more of an indication. Anybody that's come down here and walked this little hill, then they have a whole new respect for the hill.
I use my drill camera to break the press.
Right? And there he goes. Alright, so I'm going to take you over here and kind of give you guys an idea of how far we actually got. So, got this whole area here. And see, this can be utilized, believe it or not, for parking. A lot of times with walking back through here, This was all muddy through this one area, and back through there isn't bad.
Hey,
And
what's
but
your problem?
but we wanted to make sure we had, you know, gravel up back to a certain point. Come here. No, you come here. Come on. So getting all this done here, and then getting this all widened out, and then putting the extra over there. It's huge, huge. So now people can come in and they can start parking up over here and not everybody be in each other's way. That'll be good. So, but yeah, making good progress, folks. Hey, here. Hey, hella. Are you? She's going up to see Steve. She's like, I don't care. Do not go under there. All right, folks. I'm going to jump off of this video as well. Good progress. Things are coming along here. Things are definitely looking better. So I hope you all have a great day, and I will talk to you all later. Prepper Nurse 1 out for now.